Lecture: Is Psychology a Social Science? Welcome back to the IS Companion. Today's lecture is on the classification and scientific nature of psychology. We will explore whether psychology is a social science and examine the scientific principles that underpin the study of psychology. By understanding these aspects, we can appreciate the rigorous methodologies and the broad applicability of psychological research. Psychology, social science, or behavioral science. Psychology is often debated within the realms of social sciences and behavioral sciences. To clarify its classification, let's examine its characteristics and methodologies. Psychology shares a strong association with social sciences, which study human society and social relationships. Disciplines within social sciences include sociology, anthropology, economics, political science, and psychology. Like other social sciences, psychology examines behavior within social contexts, including how individuals interact with groups and how social settings influence behavior. However, psychology is more appropriately classified as a behavioral science, focusing on the study of behavior through more rigorous scientific methodologies. It is particularly distinguished within behavioral sciences for its systematic and scientific approach to understanding individual behavior. Behavioral science methodologies in psychology involve controlled experiments, precise measurements, and statistical analysis, making the investigation and interpretation of data highly systematic. The differences between social and behavioral sciences can be seen in their methodological rigor and scope of study. Behavioral sciences, including psychology, employ more rigorous and scientific methods compared to some social sciences. This involves controlled experiments, precise measurements, and systematic data collection. While social sciences may study broader social phenomena, psychology often focuses on individual behavior, though it also considers group dynamics and social influences. Why is psychology considered a science? Psychology is recognized as a science due to several key factors. Firstly, psychologists strive for objectivity in their search for truth. They aim to observe and record all relevant facts in investigations, regardless of personal expectations or preferences. Information is gathered based on empirical evidence and merit, ensuring that findings are unbiased and reliable. Secondly, the study of behavior in psychology employs scientific methods and techniques, emphasizing accuracy, precision, and careful data collection. Psychologists formulate hypotheses, conduct systematic studies, and determine relationships between variables through controlled experiments. Thirdly, findings in psychology are subject to verification through replication in similar conditions by other researchers. This commitment to skepticism and verification ensures that conclusions are reliable and consistent across different studies. Fourthly, psychological research allows for precise description and quantification of behaviors. This enables psychologists to make accurate predictions about future behaviors based on established data. Furthermore, psychology is supported by well-organized theories and relevant laws and principles. These theories are consistently tested and refined, contributing to the practical application of psychology in various aspects of human welfare. Finally, many established facts, principles, and laws in psychology have universal applicability, extending their relevance beyond the discipline itself to practical life and other fields of knowledge. Key takeaways: psychology's use of scientific methods makes it unique among behavioral sciences, ensuring that data collection and interpretation are systematic and precise. The discipline's commitment to objectivity, accuracy, and skepticism underscores its scientific nature. Psychological theories and principles are not only scientifically grounded but also highly applicable to real world situations, enhancing human welfare. Conclusion: Psychology is a science because it adheres to the principles of objectivity, accuracy, and systematic investigation. Its methodologies are rigorous, and its findings are consistently verified and applicable across various contexts. Understanding psychology's place within both social and behavioral sciences highlights its unique contribution to comprehending human behavior through scientific inquiry. As we continue our study of psychology, we will delve deeper into these methods and explore the fascinating insights they provide into human thought, emotion, and behavior. Thank you for your attention, and I look forward to our future discussions on the intricacies of psychological science. Follow us on YouTube, www.youtube.com/@iscompanion.